Spreadshirt tutorial for beginners, how to use Spreadshirt print on demand to make money. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Spreadshirt.com to make money and how you can use their print on demand option to create a whole marketplace for yourself and how you can sell your items. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So as you can see, when you open your web browser and you search for spreadshirt.com, this is the site that it's going to pop up and you can open it. And now what you can do is here are some options. You can also create, you can products with personal touch and for any occasion, or you can also shop. So it is a marketplace where any creator, any designer can come on and basically create designs and sell them online. So it is a really great place to sell anything that you want. As you can see, this is right now it's a time for Christmas when I'm making this video, so that's why they have featured everything related to Christmas. They have the designs that are related to Christmas. They have stationery, teddy bear toys, mugs and friends, and they are basically highlighting the aspect of buying gifts from Spreadshirt. As you can see, they are basically the customized gifts. They also mean a lot, so it's a really great website. You have Spreadshirt, we print ideas, you can impressive quality and diverse designs. They have all of these things, and you can just come on and create anything that you want and you can just start selling. So if you take a look at their marketplace, here you can see they have t-shirts, they have hoodies and sweatshirts, they have aprons, baby clothing, mugs, caps and hats. So these are all the categories that they have. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to basically create your account. You can just go on and simply click on this option and create sign up from here, or you can click on this create now and it will ask you to sign up first, so you can just do that as well. So I'm just going to click on create now, and now it is taking me to the sign up form where I can register myself, and then I'll be able to create my own product on Spreadshirt. Okay, so now you have to pick one thing that you want to basically make. So you can choose your product, click one to get started. You can choose your design, you can add your text and upload your design. So first of all, I'm going to click on this option right here, choose product, and I'm going to choose the product that I want to sell. So for that, they're going to give me some options that they have, like this is the men's premium hoodie, this is a women's premium hoodie. So here you have your t-shirts and everything, so you can choose anything that you want. You can sort by different things, like you can sort of popular, highest, you have prices, you have sizes, you have colors, and then you have brands. You want to change from clothing to accessories, you can see what are the options available in accessories. Wait a second, this is for the clothing. Let me go into accessories, and I have face coverings, buttons, phone cases, socks, etc. So you can choose something from them, and then you have your home and living, and you can choose anything from them as well. So you can basically, for example, I want to design a water bottle for myself, and I'm going to click on water bottles. Now you have different water bottles in different prices. So this is the one is insulated stainless steel water bottle, and it is for $15.99 for one product ordered. So what you're gonna do is you can basically, you're gonna buy this water bottle for $15.99, and then you are going to customize it, and then you can sell it for any price that you want. For example, I am buying it for 15, I am paying for printing, so after that, let's say printing is for $5, it's going to cost me $20. So I want to sell it for $30, and I'm going to make $10 profit, which will be the one thing that is going to be my money and the money that I will make from this product. So you can choose anyone among them. I'm just going to choose this one. You can see also the colors of the product. You can see all of these colors are available. You can just go on and let's say I want to buy this one. I'm going to customize this one because it is for cheap, and there is a bigger chance that cheaper products are gonna sell faster because people are always looking for something which is also good and something which is also not very pricey. So always go for something that is economical, that everyone can buy. So as you can see, this is basically the preview of the product. This is the right, and this is the left view. Then you can, and this is the delivery time is from December 28th to 30th. If you want to see the product details, you can just go on this one and do that, and then you have your customer reviews of the specific product. So I'm just going to, the product says this, and I'm going to click on the designs. So what kind of design are you looking for? Are you looking for something which is related to Halloween, fox, travel, heart, and everything? So let's say it's time for Christmas. I'm going to make something that is related to Christmas. So this is the design I'm looking for. Okay, so this is basically Santa hat, and these are the chain of lights and designs that are available for free. Then you can also have a priced version, and you can have the price designs. Let's say I like this one, so now it is on here. So if you want to basically increase the size, here you can see I'm just I'm expanding it a little bit, and I'm going to tilt it like this, and I'm going to make it appear right here. Now if you want to add another image, you can just click on this option and you can add a different image as well. Like this is gonna how it's gonna look. Now if you want to add print areas, if you want to duplicate it, you can do that as well. If you want to delete it, you can do that as well. So this is basically my design, and this is how it's gonna look. Now if you want to add more designs, you can just go on design. You can add this again, and you can see another one is added. Now I'm going to expand it as well, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt it downwards a little bit like this. I'm going to place it right here, or you can just go on and place it right here. And then I'm going to go on to designs, and I'm going to click on this one again, and now I'm going to bring it right here. I'm going to expand it again, and I'm going to tilt it a little bit like this. So as you can see, this is giving the expression of basically the lightings that you make on a Christmas tree, and this is how it's going to look. It looks kind of pretty, and it's also very minimal as well. So you can just go on and create something like that. If you want to add a text, you can just go on to the text option, and you can add something if you want to. Like this is the option where you can add text. As you can see, you can add different fonts, you can change text size, you can bend the text if you want to, but I'm not going to do that because it is going to ruin the whole look of the bottle. Then you can, if you want to upload a specific image or something, you can also do that. After that, after you have done everything, after you're satisfied with your product, what you can do is you can choose the quantity, go on to that, and basically 6 articles. This is for one water bottle, and the article for price is $17.99, and the total cost is going to be $17.99. I'm going to click on add to cart, and your item has been added to your basket. So this is the item that I have created right now, and I'm going to basically go on, and I can create more things with this specific design. And then I can click on this option which says start selling, and I can basically go on to shop and marketplace designs, and I can create my own shop with this. I'm going to basically, where do you want to sell, open your own shop and sell on marketplace. So you have 2 options. Let's say I want to sell on marketplace, I don't want to build a whole shop on Spreadshirt. So you have to add your this is a marketplace, you can add your products, and here you go, you have your basically your selling options, your products and everything. You can just click on everything, and it will be added in the marketplace, and you can just start selling your product. People will buy it, and the money that you're going to make is going to be in your account that you have provided. The PayPal is the most eligible method of having money from these kind of platforms. So you can add your PayPal, and you'll receive the money in PayPal. So this is how easy you can get started with Spreadshirt and create your designs, and you can start selling them. It is very easy, and it is also very user friendly. So you can just go on and do that for yourself right now, even if you want to. So I hope this video was informative enough. If you have any queries, just comment it down in the comment section below, and I will try to get back to you guys. Until then, take good care of yourself, and bye bye.